whole idea of creating this particular campaign sparked when the marketing team and the board of directors were sitting together brainstorming how we would, move on from conventional marketing to modern marketing.
And I really think it's time that jewelry brands or even regular brands itself started like stepping out of their comfort zone, which is doing stuff that are safe.
So Vansh came down and then we gave him all the pointers.
And one day he was like sitting over, I don't know, just chilling, and he says, what if we just do something with Instagram? And I'm like, what?
The pre-production in terms of coming up with the concept, then putting all the pieces together, working with all the different HODs, making each of their ideas come together into one campaign. I think that entire thing is the experience.
For me, it's a memory scene.
Correct. So it's a memory scene.
Like tasty.
A lot of people today don't want to style themselves that. Then we have the nightclub.
Oh, you're doing it in Foxtrot?
Yeah.
Crazy.
I love the stylization which has been happening.
I've never done a shoot like this outside of fitness.
Like as you climb up the stairs, it's just a quick look.
It was challenging, but when I came I was very sleepy, but there were so many people here. They were all up and like constantly working.
Headspace, देख थोड़ा.
Initiating idea of the concept, which was the Instagram oriented layout. I think that's something that's not really been done in terms of jewelry or hoarding campaigns. Staying up all night and then also trying to look perfect for the model shot was a little hectic. But overall it's been nice.
Capturing the real vibe of those real people is challenging and yet like it's a little fun, compared to normal photo shoots.
I could really experiment a lot with my creativity. I could really explore how I want to bring out their individuality through makeup and hair.
I actually never dress up in Indian, so this is amazing. I'm having a lot of fun. If only I could walk more, that would be good.
They're models, they're not real people that wear the jewelry. So it's nice that real women are wearing real jewelries in real situations.
Nice. Can we do that again? Nice. Once more.
We're just not looking at, creating that very desi vibe to a jewelry campaign shoot, but we are actually trying to bring in a very lively, youthful, quirky, fun vibe to this entire campaign.
Into the corner of her face.
Tough. After the rain, it's very tough.
It's been pouring on the set and the entire set has been ruined. I'm really nervous and scared. Let's see how this goes.
Dada, sound.
Wapas 135. Stand up, man.
Thinking about more of that.
Are the morals someone?
Some pauses and a little bit. Sound roll. Cam roll. Action.
The necklace also was so pretty, and the dress was so nice. I was so close to running away with it.
All the influencers, they've been very patient with us. Pragnya, who's also been creatively assisting me. Ritu, who's styled the entire shoot. There's Deb, who's done a stellar job.
Second kite, एक kite झूला है उसको ऊपर कर दो.
Bharat does some fabulous lighting and some fabulous framing. The guys at Filmmaker, like Soman and Gaurav, literally killed themselves to assist me.
It's a wrap, guys.
The whole crew is always the chill. They're all friends, all buddies.
And it was like working with a bunch of friends. And they were professional. Friendly yet professional.
And I hope that the final really, really, really shines.
Working on vertical videos was something we've never done before, and we have to move away from conventional methods. In terms of color grading, bringing out the liveliness of the jewelry was probably the most challenging part. We've had multiple discussions with OneStitch to achieve what we have. Hopefully you like what we've made.
Hey, check this out.
Metro
Huh.